Effective September 1st, if you have not heard, there's a new law of the land when it comes to evictions here in California. That is AB 3088, also known as the Tenant Relief Act of 2020. Now, I just interviewed Mike Brennan, who's an eviction attorney here locally. He really is a household name when it comes to tenant evictions here within the San Gabriel Valley, but he services LA County, Orange County, Riverside County. Everyone knows Mike. He and I just sat down to break down this law, all the nuances, because everything has changed. 3-day notices have changed to 15-day notices. The time period between March and September of non-payment of rent is going to be treated different than if tenants don't pay between September and January of 2021. There's 3 additional new forms. There's tenant declarations. There is a lot to be unpacked in this law. You don't want to try to go it alone. And we're going to be sharing this interview broken down in segments so that you know every letter of the law and how to proceed should you have a tenant who has not been paying rent or who does not pay in the coming days. And we look forward to sharing that with you. Chris German from The Apartment Dealer.